Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Guys, actually yesterday we have received iOS 17, the latest update, complete now. Uh, and while I have been going through some videos and tech videos and reviews regarding the iOS, I have found that few people were asking for an uh, location services are not working. Like if you check out the widgets, the location services is off. Guys, this is not an error or a bug, but you can just fix it from your settings. Just go to your settings and search for location. You can see the locations and which app you are facing this error. You just go to that. For example, check with weather. It is the location access is allowed as while using the app only, and please turn it back to always. Then your location services are turned on and you can see this is how it's people found it as error, but it's not an error actually. Let me show you once again. Now if I'm putting it back while using the app, it shows location services are off, and if you open this widget, it shows the exact locations. See, so just go to settings, turn it back to always, and that's it, it's fixed. Similarly, whatever the application you are using, repeat the same thing and it's fixed. I know it's an irrelevant content from my channel, but just I want to inform you and I came up with this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much